In this video, we'll see how to take backup of iPhone in Windows laptop. For doing that, first connect the iPhone cable to the Windows laptop. This is a lightning connector of iPhone, and we'll connect it. Yeah, it's connected. Now it will say trust, and then you can put now it's connected. Okay, right? As soon as you will connect this iPhone to the Windows laptop, uh, for taking the backup of iPhone in the Windows laptop, you must have pre-installed the iTunes. Okay, right? And as you will connect this iPhone to the Windows laptop, iTunes automatically will open. Then this is iTunes, and here this is your this is iPhone. You have to connect it here, and then you have to take the backup of this iPhone in Windows 10. You have to put the backup now. Now you can see the backing up iPhone is started, right? And you can see this is moving. It means iPhone is backing up in this Windows laptop. And now you can see you can minimize this iTunes, then you open it, C drive. You have to go to the users, then app data. Here you have to enable the hidden folders, because app data is a hidden folder, and once you enable the hidden folder, then you can see the app data. Then you can see go to roaming, and then you can Apple computer, and then this mobile sync option, and this is the backup of this iPhone which is stored here. You can see this iPhone is having almost 50 GB of data, and it's see this is the backup size on this 49. So whole backup has been stored here. This I am showing because I have already taken the backup, and this is the process. See, you can see the done, right? In case of if you want to in case your data is deleted from iPhone, in that case you can restore backup from this system, and this is a tab. You have to click restore. You have to connect your iPhone to the Windows laptop, then you have to press this restore backup. and your iPhone will be backup. Whatever data you have in Windows laptop as a backup, it will transfer into your iPhone also. Here I want to tell you one more thing. This backup, you can see it is in like this. See, it is stored in files, in these files. You cannot directly open these files. This is a backup. In case of your some problem happens in your iPhone software, or where you are not able to get your data, in that case you can transfer your backup from your laptop to the mobile. So this is very easy, and you can manage data from iPhone to Windows laptop, as well as you can backup it from Windows laptop to your iPhone in case you lost your data in iPhone. See, this is the iPhone 256 GB. This is a battery indicator showing, and this, see, backing up. Okay, thanks for the video. Thanks for watching it.